thinking of going up.
How is this a drink? We don't want. She can't be any worse than freaking.
You know the window's open.
I don't care. She's too busy doing that.
I know. Then that means I can't record.
Did I go on the red car?
I want her to fall again.
Oh, she is. I'm alright. I'm not car. Okay, put her in there.
The driver better not be drunk.
Go on the red car and speak like trash. Because her face is like that.
Why is everyone a fucking idiot? Can you explain that to me, please?
Yeah.
How come no one's like us?
People like to get drunk and...
These fucking idiots.
The driver is not drunk, right?
No, I hope not.
You guys, let's see how they left a fucking drink on the back of their
Yeah.
Stupid.
Let's see how they do.
That's
I
fine.
know.
But